What if you could turn other people's skills and efforts into your own financial gain? Waking up each day knowing that your income is steadily growing without you having to lift a finger sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that has not only stood the test of time, but has also proven to be beneficial for society as a whole. Stick around as we explore the historical roots and practical applications of leveraging other people's talents to build your own passive income stream. Leveraging the skills and efforts of others isn't a new idea. It dates back to ancient times when communities thrived by pooling resources and talents for the common good. Think about guilds in medieval Europe or cooperative farming practices in ancient civilizations. These systems were built on the principle that working together, each contributing their strengths, leads to better outcomes for everyone involved. This historical context shows that leveraging people's abilities isn't about taking advantage of others. It's about creating mutually beneficial relationships. Fast forward to today, and the same principles apply, but with a modern twist. The digital age has made it easier than ever to connect with others, share skills, and create value together. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or simply someone looking to earn extra income, leveraging people can be a powerful approach. But how exactly can you do this effectively? Let's dive into 2 rewarding methods that can help you get started. First, consider the power of outsourcing. By outsourcing tasks that you either can't do or prefer not to do, you can free up your time to focus on what you do best. For instance, if you run a small business, you might outsource your marketing efforts to a skilled freelancer. This not only ensures that the job is done well, but also allows you to concentrate on growing your business. Picture having an expert handling your social media, creating engaging posts, and running targeted ad campaigns while you focus on product development or customer service. This division of labor allows you to leverage their expertise and experience, making your business more efficient and effective. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it incredibly easy to find talented professionals from around the world who can handle various tasks for you at a fraction of the cost of hiring full-time employees. These platforms offer a vast pool of freelancers specializing in everything from graphic design and content writing to software development and virtual assistants. The key is to find reliable professionals who understand your vision and can deliver quality work consistently. But what if you could take this a step further? Consider setting up a system where your freelancers work together, creating a synergistic effect that multiplies their productivity and your profits. For example, you could hire a team of content creators, graphic designers, and social media managers who collaborate on projects, each contributing their expertise to produce top-notch results. This integrated approach not only boosts efficiency, but also enhances the quality of your output, leading to higher engagement and better business outcomes. Now, let's talk about creating an affiliate network. This is where you partner with others who promote your products or services in exchange for a commission on any sales they generate. It's a win-win situation. Your affiliates earn money by leveraging their networks, and you gain customers without having to do the heavy lifting. The beauty of an affiliate network is that it can grow exponentially. As more affiliates join and start promoting your offerings, your reach expands, leading to increased sales and revenue. But how do you ensure your affiliate program is successful? Choosing the right partners is crucial. Look for affiliates who align with your brand values and have access to your target audience. Provide them with the necessary tools and incentives to promote your products effectively. This might include high-quality marketing materials, competitive commission rates, and regular training or support. The more empowered and motivated your affiliates feel, the more likely they are to drive significant traffic and sales your way. To set this up, you can use platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or even create your own affiliate program tailored to your business. These platforms offer robust tracking and reporting tools, making it easy to monitor your affiliates' performance and optimize your strategies. Imagine having an army of enthusiastic promoters working tirelessly to boost your sales, while you sit back and enjoy the fruits of their labor. While these methods sound great in theory, you might be wondering about the ultimate payout. How can you ensure that these approaches lead to tangible, rewarding results? The key lies in understanding the value of your time and focusing on building systems that work for you. For outsourcing, this means carefully selecting tasks that are time-consuming but not necessarily value-adding for you personally. By doing this, you can dedicate more time to strategic activities that drive growth. For affiliate marketing, it's about choosing the right partners who align with your brand and can effectively reach your target audience. Providing them with the necessary tools and incentives will ensure they remain motivated and successful, which in turn benefits you. Imagine you're running a successful blog. Instead of spending hours writing every single post, you could hire skilled writers to contribute content. Your role then shifts to curating and editing, ensuring the quality of the blog while you have more time to focus on monetization strategies. Simultaneously, by partnering with affiliates who promote your blog's premium content or related products, you're generating a steady stream of income from their efforts. This dual approach not only amplifies your output, but also diversifies your income sources, creating a robust and sustainable business model. Another real-world example comes from the world of real estate. Investors often leverage property management companies to handle the day-to-day operations of their rental properties. This means that while the management company deals with tenants, maintenance, and rent collection, the investor enjoys a relatively passive income stream. Similarly, by forming partnerships with real estate agents and brokers, investors can gain access to lucrative deals and opportunities without having to constantly search for them. In essence, leveraging other people's skills and efforts allows you to scale your operations and maximize your earnings without spreading yourself too thin. It's about working smarter, not harder. By building a network of skilled individuals and fostering mutually beneficial relationships, you can create a system where your income grows while your workload decreases. This approach not only benefits you, but also provides opportunities for others to earn and thrive, creating a positive cycle of growth and success. So how do you get started on this journey of leveraging people to build your passive income stream? Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into some actionable steps that you can implement right away. Think about the potential of your business or personal projects when you have a dedicated team of experts working alongside you, each contributing their unique strengths to achieve a common goal. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards can be substantial. So, there you have it. Leveraging people to earn without working for it isn't just a pipe dream. It's a practical, time-tested approach that can yield significant rewards. By understanding that historical context, embracing modern tools, and focusing on mutually beneficial relationships, you can build a passive income stream that supports your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on passive income, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.